Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing this 15 pack of Gillette Mach 3 blades, and these are the refillable blades for your Gillette handle. 3 sharp blades, lubricant strip, micro fin guard. So I've been using these for a while. Show you all what the packaging looks like. Alright. Let's try to open it from here. Okay, so it looks like they changed up the packaging a little bit. It's like more cardboard paper packaging, which I think is better for the environment versus the plastic packaging. Yeah, pretty good packaging. It's protective and they fit in all 3 cartridges of 5, so this is what it looks like. And I've been using these for a long time. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got these from, but yeah, like I said, these are the replacement Gillette Mach 3 cartridges. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below, and I will see you guys all in the next random unboxing video. Hope you're all doing well. Later.